Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com. Happy New Year. Today is Saturday, January 6th. Week ended, the first week ended of the new year. So let's get started the activity on this the first week. Monday, the January 1st was holiday, right? That was New Year day, first day. And the week basically started market reopen on the 2nd, right? So the 2nd January, this is the first trade, Euro Aussie, 60 pips. It's a short entry here. This is sell order. You can see here on the yellow mark, and SL move to break even plus. So this is every trade is taken by the setup and the setup, and you will see that you see this little small little arrow here. So this is my EA. This is CTS live. EA robot is opening the trade. It opens the trade and it plays the SL here at 25 pip, right? You can adjust it, but I always have it at 25 pip. And when the market moves in my direction, in my favor, I'm positive, then it moves to break even. All is done by the EA. Right, so this is how it is. So most of these trades you will see that it are taken by the EA. So this is the first one. This is the second one here, Euro USD from 7-minute entry, and you can. This was manual. This is I took it on my own. The second trade, and this is sell 65 pip, right, from 7-minute chart. Now this is Nasdaq. This is, you can see here the arrow. This is taken by the EA, and on the second also Nasdaq from sell order from here to here. This is Euro Yen is also taken by the EA. You see this arrow here, sell order here. Nice entry, beautiful entry here, January 2nd and 65 pip. It was rising, so I said, okay, what the hell with it. So new year, you have to be very careful, right? This one is manual entry because you don't see the arrow here, right? So that's how it is. This is a sell order. A sell moves to break even and plus 10, 15 pip. This is oil, by the way, on 2nd January, and nice and clean from 73 to 70.39. This was my target, right? So I made a video about the oil, and exactly I was expecting that it's a short entry, so I took it, and the target was already mentioned in my video that it's going to go there. So as soon as it hit the target, I closed the trade. And this one is gold, also supposedly be going to the downside around maybe 1998 or 2009. So from beautiful entry here and all the way down to 2035, and I closed the trade. So this is on the 3rd, January 3rd, and this is USD yen. By the way, this was, let me see if I have the chart here. I don't know if I have it, but let me just get it quickly so I can show you the why I went long on this one. Because I already had pair of charts. On over the weekend, I made some charts, all of these charts, and gave it to my subscribers. So you can see here, where the heck is that? Oh, so this was the chart I made over the weekend, right? And saying that this December 31st was Saturday. So that is going to be going to the upside, USD yen. So when it started to go up, this is how the whole system is. That weekly chart analysis on the weekly chart. And if my analysis is right and the pairs start to move in that direction, I look for the entry from my 20-minute entry chart. And once I have that, and that's it, we pull the trigger. So this is, it started to go up, beautiful entry. You see this EA? Open this trade, the small arrow here. So EA opened this beautiful trade here. This was a nice entry too, but my EA opened only one trade at a time. If the trade is open, then it's not gonna, even if there's an entry, it's not gonna open a second trade. All right, a different pair, yes, but not the same pair. One entry at a time, one trade at a time. All right, so this one went all the way to 190. See that? All right. This pound Aussie also taken by the EA. You see that little arrow here? Red or green arrow, whatever, 95 pip, right, on the 3rd, January 3rd. And now this one, oil trade, this was manual. Again, it was after hitting that 70.24 area, my chart was saying that it's going to go up for wave 4, wave C of wave 4. So it started to go up. I posted on my Telegram even that this thing is going to start bouncing. Let me see this one here. I posted it. The oil dropped to 70.24 as my chart suggested. Now, if it bounced, look for long from 100 BS chart. BS means brick size, box size, right? 100 box size chart. So you see this? This is oil, 100 box size. It started go up, beautiful entry. This is entry and all these. And then went up from 71.80 to 73.13. So this is how nice and clean with the plan. Buy order here, euro yen. Yen was getting weaker, started to get weaker. So on the 4th, beautiful entry taken by the EA and gone. This is also very, very by the book entry. But since I was in the trade, this was not open. One is enough, right? One trade per pair, same at a time. Now here, this one, pound Aussie, this was, you just saw that one, right? This was another entry. See this arrow here? Right, so this was the entry, but it went up. So I sit on a break even, and it came and it took me out on a break even. Then again, this was an entry here. This is an arrow you can see here, right? So this one taken again and for 130 pen. So this is how beautiful it is. And in between all of that, there was no other entry, right? So this is how on the 4th and on the 5th, Nasdaq again, it was dropping. By the way, Nasdaq chart, which I made over the weekend. Let me see if I can just quickly show you. That was indices. Okay, here, and Nasdaq. Look, this was the where the hell? Okay, this was the chart I made. Nasdaq, right? That is gonna drop from there. We have 5 is finished, and let me just quickly show you what Nasdaq is doing. Now, I made the chart over the weekend, December 31st, and you can clearly see that it started to go down. Look at that. Okay, this is Nasdaq. Oh, this is S&P 500, by the way. This is Nasdaq. You see that? So that's the chart I made. This is here. Look, this is the chart, right? That is gonna drop after making the wave 5 here. This is the high 167.64, and I say it's gonna drop. So what happened? Currently, this is how we closed. Right from there, it start to drop. So that's why I had those couple of short I showed you on my Nasdaq, right? First the top, from the top, the big one, and then this is a small one also. Aussie USD, beautiful by the book entry. Arrow is there, so that means it was opened by this CTS alarm, right? 90 pip to the downside. Not alarm, that was a robot. That USDN, you see that arrow, right? The market was moving fast, so this arrow in this entry was a little bit late, but yes, it's beautiful entry here, and then after that, boom, 90 pip to the downside. Because I made the chart, and then I said that it is going to go down now if the US dollar index stays below. Let me quickly show you if I can. What chart I'm talking about. You will see yen index, yen index 33-minute chart, and it is where is that? 33-minute chart. See, this is the chart I made, and I posted on my Telegram as well. So it's probably gonna go up a little bit to 61, and that's 69.22. And this low was here 69.18. So I said if it may turn from there to the downside, and when it starts to do that, what will happen? All yen pairs will go down. So this is on the 4th, right? So this is how this this index chart. It went up, but it's still there, and now it's dropping, and I think it'll be closing on 69.8. Okay, 69.8. So we are below 69.18. So it started to drop, and all yen pairs started to drop as well. And that's the only good entry I got is from USD yen. So I got it, right? So it's 90 pip, and I closed it. It may go up again. Who knows, right? So if yen index stays there and then start dropping, they will be dropping more to the downside. And next week, I will be all over these yen pairs. Now, this is oil on 15. This was the chart that I had. that it's going to go up first for wave A, then it's going to come down for wave B, and then it's going to go up for wave C. So right now we are here. So we went up, we came down, and nicely we start to go up here. Let me quickly show you the oil, if I can, that it already started to go up. Sorry that I didn't open the charts ahead of time. I just decided to make the video. So a lot of charts. See this? That's what I'm talking about. A, then it went B, and then now start to go up for C. So that's why I'm gonna, the last oil chart you saw, oil trade that I showed you was a long one, right? Based on this to the upside. Once we get there, that would be wave 4 finish, and then I will see that if it start to go down. So it will probably go down after that around maybe 60 to 63. So then I'll be shorting this thing again. All right, so this is for now. It's a lot of things, a lot of charts, a lot of things happening. New year, and need to be very careful, right? So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you go on my website here and sign up, right? I have monthly subscription, 6 month, yearly, lifetime, one-on-one coaching, all of that. And if you want to get the EA, I would not recommend that as a new subscriber, you get the EA, that robot, because you know how to, you need to learn how to use it, right? And so first, I would say that if you're already my subscriber in the past or current, then yeah, you can use that EA very easily. But if you're not, then sign up for the either monthly subscription, monthly, or sign up for lifetime, because I have a very good discount there. And then you learn a little bit, use the alarm version of that. And then after that, maybe a couple of weeks or a month, when you learn, when you're comfortable, then you get the EA. And EA will help you a lot. I mean, you need to go to sleep, you're sleepy, but you know the analysis that this thing is going to drop. Then you put on the EA and make it short only, and then go to sleep. If it will open the trade, it will open with the SL, 25 pip hard SL. And even if it's open a wrong trade, all you lose is 25 pip. But if it goes in your way, you end up making 100, 125, 130 pip trade easy. I'll show you how to hold the trade for the longest time. And then, it all depend on the daily range, by the way. Each pair has different daily range. So, once you become, my subscriber, you learn everything. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and a happy, happy new year to all of you.